Delight your senses and brew the perfect cup of tea with Teabloom's Celebration Teapot. The simple, clean lines and perfect proportions blend beautifully with any decor, and it's made of the highest quality glass to make it last for years of enjoyment. Steep tea 3 ways. First, place your glass infuser into the teapot and add approximately 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea. Pour the hot water over the tea, cover the pot with a lid, and steep for 2 to 5 minutes. Next, remove the glass infuser and pour hot water in the teapot. Place 1 tea bag per 8-ounce cup of water, cover the pot with a lid, and steep 2 to 5 minutes. Lastly, remove the glass infuser. Bring 30 to 34 ounces of water to a boil in your heat-proof, stovetop-safe Teabloom teapot. Immediately remove the teapot from the stovetop once the water has reached to a boil. Drop the tea flower inside, steep the tea until the flower has fully opened, which is usually 5 to 10 minutes. The Celebration Teapot is a staple to any tea lover's household, and it also makes for a perfect gift. Enjoy!